Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best laptop memories that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Corsair Memory Kit. 2*8GB, 16GB DDR4 2400 MHz. Corsair has a proven track record of providing reliable and top-quality computing accessories to customers. This is what makes this brand a market leader in the department of computing devices. Equipped with the latest DDR4, this memory kit consisting of 2 units that are best suited for multitasking. More so, this RAM is compatible with 6th generation Intel Core i5 and i7 notebooks. 8GB storage capacity of the unit makes it ideal for heavy games and space-consuming application programs. Now, you can open multi-tabs simultaneously without worrying about the laptop suffering from a lack of speed. Apart from unbeatable performance, this piece comes with a lifetime warranty, which makes it a must-buy product. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Corsair Vengeance 2*16GB, 32GB DDR4 SO-DIMM DDR4 2400. 16GB storage capacity means you can run multiple programs at a time. It features DDR4, which is the latest and most advanced type of RAM at present. Also, it provides the highest data transfer rate during multitasking. In addition, it consumes the lowest possible voltage to enhance the battery life of your laptop. One of the most important requirements for a gaming enthusiast is a lag-free gaming experience. This unit delivers an excellent performance, thanks to 16GB storage capacity clocking 2400 MHz. If you are looking for a high-performance RAM with lower voltage consumption, this DDR4 unit can be an ideal choice for you. At number 3, we have the Timetech Hinix IC 8GB memory DDR3L 1600 MHz. This affordable and efficient DDR3 memory comes with 8GB storage capacity, which is just sufficient for multitasking and space-consuming games. This RAM is able to function at a speed that can be up to 1600 MHz. Not only is it easy for you to install this RAM unit on your laptop, but it also delivers a really satisfying thermal performance. All of this thanks to the efficient heat spreader, which always allows you to handle multiple tasks without any heating issues. This laptop memory is specially designed for easy compatibility with any type of laptop these days. It features low-voltage SO-DIMM, which enhances the overall performance and increases the battery life of your laptop. Other added benefits are the lifetime warranty and free technical support. Considering all the pros and cons, this unit is a great buy. At number 2, we have the Atec 8GB memory kit, 2x4GB, DDR3 1600 MHz. This offering from Atec consists of 2 4GB RAMs, which are based upon DDR3 technology to provide you an exemplary multitasking experience. Besides, this performance-oriented memory is compatible with most of the existing operating systems and works efficiently by clocking up to 1600 MHz to deliver a lag-free performance. If you are up to upgrading your laptop and on the lookout for a reasonably priced and high-tech unit, this variant can do the desired trick to fulfill all your computing needs. On top of that, the lifetime warranty coupled with toll-free technical support is the additional benefit to look out for. Your decision to go in for this durable unit deserves all accolades. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kingston Technology 4GB memory DDR3L 1600 MHz DDR3L. Kingston is a worldwide famous brand dealing with memory products and computing components. Kingston has offered another performance-based unit featuring DDR3 technology to make your RAM compatible with most of the operating systems. It functions quite efficiently as it can easily go up to 1600 MHz. This means that it is just sufficient for you to handle multiple tasks at a time on your laptop. Not only will you be able to achieve a high level of performance from this high-tech unit, but it will also keep you happy with its free technical support and a lifetime warranty. When you get so many features for an attractive price tag, You need not think twice before ordering it. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.